Never been much for romance, rather do my off dance. Love at first glance, that's a stalkerish advance. No thanks, I'll pass, rather smoke my grass. Don't want the harass, don't come trespass. I'll kick your ass, top of my class. Don't stand a chance, I'll shatter your badass. What's up, razzle dazzle? Hey, razzle dazzle! Guess what? I am ready to berazzle some really dope stuff with you. So what do I have here? I have a free tote bag that you get from the store when you buy some things. So this one's from Victoria's Secret. I think I bought like 5 pairs of underwear, or I don't know. Spent like $50, so they gave it to me. And I always get these bags and like, I don't know, it's not the ugliest, but it's also not really the nicest. I don't know, I want it to be better. So we're gonna turn this store bag that you get for free, that everyone gets these all the time, not maybe Victoria's Secret, but wherever you shop, how to make it seem like a designer bag to recycle it. So I think it's really important to try to not just create waste and spend money on frivolous things these days. I'm wearing these gloves because I always get paint on my nails and it's a pain to wash off. So I have all kinds of different colored paint. I have this gold stuff, I have different colorful ones, so pretty much all of it's from BLICK, but you could get it on Amazon. This one is Tulip. Actually, a lot of them are by this brand Tulip or Marabu. I guess they're Japanese. But anyways, I'm thinking of going with like kind of a scarlet red vibe. Ooh, yes. The stripes make me think of Beetlejuice. I want it to just like drip like blood. So normally when I paint splatter, I wouldn't use this one. This one's actually like a leather paint, but I thought it would have good texture, and it does. I want it that drip. Drip, drip. Skirt. We gotta do it at kind of an angle though. I want it to drip like some blood. Why do I always make things creepy? I just have a talent, I guess. You know what would actually be great? So this, some of this. It's creepy, but I like it. I don't want to do too much, but I do want some. Oop. And that's why we get the stickers. I do like the creepy blood look, but I'm not sure. I want it to be like rich and ratchet. Like I'm thinking like a Black Widow kind of vibe. Okay, this is a bunch of gold metallic paint. This is crazy. I don't know. Actually, I should do this with a paintbrush. This is gonna be a little bit easier. So I'm just doing standard like paint splattery kind of technique. Like a light dusting right around here. Okay, so I definitely want to cover Victoria's Secret. I'm thinking, so I've been doing this thing that's like professional badass. I think that's what I'm gonna put on there, but we need to cover it up with something. What if we just go flat over it, and then the new thing I put on top will be on top of it. The great thing about berazzling is if you don't get what you want the first time, you can always go with another layer. Go on, make me a sandwich. You annoying like vag itch. So one option is to leave it with just doing red and gold, but I'm kind of thinking about like a bunch of different colors. I don't know. Personally, I blame love stories, relationships in categories. Now what? If we do green, it's gonna look like Christmas. I used to have a purse this color. Okay, this is kind of bad of me, but I'm gonna do it. Bollywood bullshit. Fake Disney crap, so counterfeit. No, I ain't heaven sent. You can't pay my rent. Come on. Sometimes in Special K and I do this, we end up with a bunch of it on us. Problems. I have an idea of like, I don't know why dark blue in the middle seems appealing. Just I was gonna say just a little, but here we go.
No means no, you got it. Done putting up with your dumb shit. I'm a dead shot.
Okay, this is starting to look pretty cool. This is looking dope. So we do have this yellow. Maybe a little right there. Ooh, that one a little wild. Maybe like right just the edge. Ooh, that was more than I wanted, but I like when it just does a little. It's tricky to, it kind of looks like ketchup and mustard right there, but it's okay. Do we have any like crazy red in here? We do. This is what I needed. And it's not even open. This is, I don't know, just fabric paint. Leather paint might be slightly better, but I like this stuff. Kind of looks like ketchup and mustard a little bit. Hot dog. You guys have to tell me if I have paint on my face. Sometimes it happens, I don't even know, it's like on my brows. Usually like my mom, when she sees it happen, she doesn't tell me, she just starts laughing. And then I have to guess where the paint is. My mom's like a professional troll, I gotta say. Everyone thinks she's sweet, and she is sweet, but she's a giant troll at heart. Both my parents really are. Looks like I'm blowing buckets. This is like the effect I want. See, partly it's the technique, but it's also just the paint. Because different paint is like thicker than other paints. And I know you can make it thinner, but a lot of times I really like the thick stuff. Because it does cool effects like this. Try to not make a big mess. We're gonna have to let this dry for a little bit. Ooh. This is working. So we've successfully covered up the whole Victoria's Secret thing, which I'm happy about. I like the company. I'm just not into brands that are not my own. Although I love this shirt. It's my producer's shirt. Shout out to Keys, the Dawn of Keys in Harrisburg. It's actually one of his album shirts. Maybe a little more red. Okay, let's do one crazy thing. What do you think, designer?
It's pretty crazy, yeah. It's interesting, yeah, it's unique. It's got a lot of like splatter.
It's my style. It does look designer though.
Oh!
BERAZZLE, what up? I am gonna continue berazzling this bag that we're gonna make be a designer bag, even though it's just like a free Victoria's Secret tote bag. So I'm gonna wear gloves in spirit of coronavirus. I'm also, oh god, it startled me. I wrote professional badass, so it's gonna have money signs in it. I'm thinking I might do that for this. Okay, so I want professional badass, but I need to cover this up more. I don't know, let's see. Maybe it has to be thick enough that it just soaks in.
Splash! Don't get so upset. This the only way you ever gonna get me wet.
I'm on a real Tyler the Creator kick lately. Okay. We'll see how this sinks in. Been having issues with this. Anything else we want to add with this gold before I, maybe a little here. Let's go a little extra here and there. Okay. I'm gonna test those. Okay. Then we need, I'm just looking. So I have this that I wrote just because I want to space it out, okay? Professional badass. Just thinking. Okay, I'm definitely taking up too much room already. Well, we do have a little extra room on the edge, but I should try to go nice and narrow.
I'm a motherfucking bad bitch. Go on, make me a sandwich. You annoying like vag itch. So lame, it's fucking tragic. Bad bitch, motherfucker. Bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch, motherfucker. Bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch, motherfucker. Bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch. You don't even know.
So with writing, I think it's important to space things out, although obviously I didn't really do it correctly because I used the full space, but this one is not the best. Oh, this is too hard. In different ways.
Started a company at 23, got no clue what I'm about, could gut you like a trout. Don't know what my business does, get lost, you ain't my cuz. Make me or make me cash, you can't even make me laugh. So many stalkers, think they're big talkers, a little too busy, seeing what they wanna see. Don't live on a pedestal, but still extraterrestrial. Fuck you Romeo, you ain't my homie bro. I'm a motherfucking bad bitch. Go on, make me a sandwich. You annoying like vag itch.
Now we need badass. B-A-D.
Started a company at 23, got no clue what I'm about, could gut you like a trout. Don't know what my business does, get lost, you ain't my cuz. Make me or make me cash, you can't even make me laugh. So many stalkers, think they're big talkers, a little too busy, seeing what they wanna see. Don't live on a pedestal, but still extraterrestrial. Fuck you Romeo, you ain't my homie bro. I'm a motherfucking bad.
I like this color choice. I wonder what so I was gonna do silver, but now I'm not sure. Although I wanted to do green, but it doesn't really fit with the color scheme of the bag. Okay, let's do silver.
So lame, it's fucking tragic. Bad bitch, motherfucking bad bitch, bad bitch, motherfucking bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch, motherfucking bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch. BERAZZLE solution to Me Too. Women's self-defense. Fuck them right back. Fruitless as fuck. Get fucked.
Okay, wow, it looks really cool. I'm super excited about this with how it turned out and ready to see the outcome. Razzle dazzle. So now I have a berazzled designer handbag that was just a free Victoria's Secret store tote bag, and you can do the same. I am definitely a professional badass, so I put that, but you could have anything else, and there's a fun little pocket that was already here. But you notice the technique I did on the back. It's layered with like Turkish eyes, aka the evil eye called Nazar, and it's a similar motif on both sides, but it's definitely very berazzled, definitely like super dope. So I would love to see other things that you're interested in berazzling or that you've been berazzling. Just post in the comments any ideas for other things you want me to berazzle or request. Follow the BERAZZLE YouTube channel or follow BERAZZLE on Instagram. Comment so that I have more ideas of what to berazzle. Razzle dazzle!